Okay, I'm back at it. Deep in the groove here. Finished up my work day. Got a lemon spindrift. Used to be into the pineapple ones, but lemon has been my kick. Okay, no one cares about that. Um, so what did we do? What did I do? Um, I actually added some CSS here at the recommendation of unfortunately Claude, and I was able to restrict image sizes. So check it. Let's find where's the big one of a dog. Let's upload the dog. There we go. So images do refresh to their original thumbnail when uploading, so that's something to consider. I'm kind of at a point where I'm not sure if I should add support for audio and video, or if I should just kind of go with what I have, perfect it, and then apply it to audio and video as well. I'm kind of leaning towards that path. Instead of having to design for three, I get a design just for the one page. Also, mobile considerations. Oh, yeah, the bug of. We should probably fix that. Right. Yeah. Let's move those over. All right. Yeah. We should probably. I don't know. I guess. Yeah. Perfect what we have. Um. Delete icon shifts. Oh, bad word. Shifts position due to appending images. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and just fix these really quick. So, see, I changed my key shortcuts a little bit so that I stop highlighting things. Okay, so let's go ahead and update this container. What we should do is image on click. Because, which I was thinking about before, right, when we were talking about the stop propagation and event bubbling. But, okay. So, let's see if that worked. Oh, my shortcuts are still a little goofy. Great. Alright, well, I'll find a keyboard shortcut that works one of these days. But yeah, I need to consider mobile as well, because ideally I would be able to take an image on my phone and just upload it. I'm not really a big app guy. Maybe I'll make an app at some point. We'll see. Okay. So, see if we can okay. Yeah, I think we fixed it. Images are not being duplicated. Great. Oh yeah, I was playing around with some image editing Trying to think of better thumbnails. Not that I really care too much if people watch this. I just kind of enjoy yapping and doing this. I'm not a YouTuber. I guess I am just through the fact that I upload to YouTube. But okay, so what else did we want to do? We wanted to retain the position of the delete icon. Oh, really what we should do is have like have a drawing utility here. Yeah, okay. Oh. So, um, if we have an image, oof, if we have an image like this is my Figma here, my my Figma board. But if we have like an image, you know, there we go. It would be nice if maybe we had like a three dot menu, which opened out to expand into a little like sub menu where we would have like options for delete, for save, stuff like that. I think that's really the only options because I don't really want to add sharing. And then also just a general like um, maybe like an X to minimize. And then, you know, full full image. There we go. It's very hard to okay. So and then we might have the thumbnail down here with just a little like expand icon over it. Expand. Okay. I have nice handwriting, I promise. Do I have an example? No, I don't. I promise you, hold on. Okay. Now that everyone's been reassured. So, I guess we can start with. I guess maybe. I wonder if. Actually bring back up this here. So, what if. Oh, that's supposed to be an eraser, right? The eraser tool. Nice. Yeah. Very nice. Not erasing, is it? Okay. So, what if we instead of having like a little X, right? And then our small little thumbnail. Why don't we do something a little closer to Reddit, where like old Reddit? Um, is that how I want to design it? Because old Reddit would be like you have a title, and then you have um, like an image thumbnail to the left of that title. I don't know if I want something like that or if I want it. Modern Reddit, has like the title and then a full sized image. Um, I don't know if I want that either. So, what do I want? So, I'm not going to be titling a lot of these. I wonder if it would be worthwhile to build a search feature as well. If I do implement titles, because it would be nice to be able to search for like videos or something. So, like if I uploaded a video, you know, um, it would be nice to be able to say, hey, find me a video with this name. So, I wonder if we should implement titles, which can default to like the image name, minus the extension, I guess. We could probably regex that out. One of these days I'll learn how to actually craft regex. I learned there for a second, but it's not like I regex stuff a lot. So, I'm wondering if let's just see, for example, what these thumbnails look like if they're a bit bigger. Where? Yeah, so why don't we change this to like. Actually, if we come over here, we look at this. Oh, we have the full size image container, which I set to like 50% of this. So maybe we can set like max width of 50% of that container and a max, like kind of like I did down here, and then max height of way less than 60. We'll do like maybe 30. We'll see what that looks like. And then width auto, um, height auto. We'll just see what that looks like. Oh, off. It looks awful. Does it auto set to 0 pixels? Why? If I remove the auto, will it? No. Because divs likely don't have to expand. Yeah. Really? So even with height set to 50%, it's still like scaling it down. I'm sorry. Oh, is the height just so if we set there we go. Something like that. It just auto does do divs default height of div. It just auto scales, right? But I guess if it technically has no content, it technically has no content, so it wouldn't like automatically enlarge it, right? I mean, that looks kind of fine. And then we can add like little. Yeah, you know what I could do is right now the full-sized image and the thumbnail share a container parent, but maybe for the thumbnail we set the container parent to be like max, you know, here, let me draw it out. If we have an image kind of like this, right? Maybe to the left and right of it, like imagine this is our image, right? And we have like a title up here, and then we just, oops, we fill in with like black or something here on the edges. And then, you know, we can add our little maximize button up here. That might be preferable. So, let's take a whack at that. I don't know how long I'm going to be coding. I actually kind of want to go watch a movie or something. But, I already started on this, so let's make a little progress. Um, so yeah, thumbnail. Yeah, why don't we just change the class name? Oops. There we go. And then, let's see. See what that looks like. Woo. I mean, that's about it. Ah, I misspelled it. That's why. I also added a flexbox. Okay, it's much closer to what I was thinking. Change it to 50% to the view width. It's a little better. It's a little better. Let's give it a margin too. Maybe, oh, I don't know. 2 EM should give us, maybe that's too much. Oh, that's about right. Yeah, that's buggy. Yeah. Yeah, so what we need to do is kind of recreate this logic. Um, yeah, recreate this logic so that we get the same styling. Oh, I'm not showing at all. Recreate this logic here um, when we click here. Or excuse me, not image upload. Yeah, here. So we just ooh, that's probably why. Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay, here. This actually might be a quick fix. So we just need to reset the container class name. We don't actually have to copy any logic. I was wrong. Let's come back over yonder. There's some like spacing issues in there. Because we give it a margin. Let's append that same kind of margin to this container. Margin 2em. There we go. And that kind of works. Doesn't look great, but okay. I think I might pause right here and possibly come back to it. So.